Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to All Things Burn. I'm so happy to have you. If you're a current subscriber, thank you for coming back by and clicking on this video and checking your girl out. You guys, I have a Walmart haul for you. I just did a vacation haul for you guys, and you guys, I'm pushing through, you guys. I'm still feeling under the weather. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. I hope to have my voice totally back soon, hopefully within the next week or so, or a couple of days. If you guys don't know, I tested positive for COVID, and I have been feeling under the weather. I have had all of the symptoms except for shortness of breath, loss of appetite, and I forgot the other one, you guys. Shortness of breath, loss of appetite, and I forgot the other one. I say it on my other video. So, you guys, bear with me. I'm going to try to get through this video, and should not be a long one like it was just a little while ago. But I appreciate you guys stopping back by and checking it out. So, let's get started, you guys. As you know, I don't know if you guys saw my short or not, and I was showing you the Reebok Scarves for $3 on clearance. Really nice, you guys. This one is $3, marked down from $12. So the back of it says $12. 12 bucks. But yeah, this one is gray and white. This one is navy, red and white. Really nice, you guys. Really, really, really nice. And this one is black, burgundy, and gray. And I'm actually gonna take this one out so you guys can see it. Really, really nice, you guys. I think these are like unisex. I think a man or a woman can actually wear this scarf. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is really nice. I think I'm gonna go and get some more, you guys. I'm gonna keep this one for myself because if you guys saw my other haul with the Walmart and the Reebok, you guys, I don't know what's going on with this TV. This TV has a mind of its own. Okay, we're back. I don't know what's going on with this TV, you guys. But hopefully we won't get any more interruptions. Let's hope we don't get any more interruptions. But anyway, you guys, I hauled a Reebok sweatshirt from Big Lots, and this will go perfect with that burgundy one when it gets cold outside. But you guys, I think I'm gonna go buy some more because I see a lot of homeless people on the streets from time to time, and I'm sure they would love to get one of these scarves just to keep them warm a little bit. Like a $3 scarf from Reebok. Yes, it's really, really nice, you guys. And I found these two bandanas, burgundy and gray. They were $1 from Time and True, and originally they were $1.97. So I just got two of those, you guys. You guys, I found another sweatshirt. It's a little bit different from the other one I hauled. This one was only $3, and it's once again, it's camouflage. It's camouflage, you guys, and it has the long sleeves. And the bottom, I like the way the bottom is made. It has that little split right there on each side, and like a thick little band. And then one comes all the way down a little bit lower to cover your tush. But I really like it, you guys. I like it, you guys. Then I saw these claw clips. They were originally $8, you guys. Let's see, $8, and they're from the company Scoop. And this one is the leopard one, and this one is the like a tigerish type of color, black and white, and this one is brown and black. So I got those. They were $2 each, you guys. $2 on clearance for $2, you guys. Also found this water resistant accessory pouch. I bought it in green. They had multiple colors, and it was $4.97. They had multiple colors. I got this for my cell phone for my next cruise, which is coming up soon again. And I just want to put my cell phone in here to keep it protected, because I'm probably going to get in the water a lot more on this cruise. Also, one of my Walmart hauls, I hauled these stackable plates, you guys, and I found me another one in black. And they stack up. So now I have 2 blacks and 1 teal and 1 white and grayish kind of color. Put that over there. And you guys, let's see. Yeah, you guys, I was able to go inside Walmart on Wednesday before I got tested. I was masked up and everything, but I didn't even know I had COVID at that time. I wasn't feeling well, but I hadn't gotten, I'm trying to fix this shirt, you guys. I hadn't gotten tested yet, so I was in Walmart, I was in the Dollar Tree, and yeah, just doing some shopping, and then I went to go get tested and found out I tested positive. So I found these in Walmart. You guys, they didn't have a sticker, they didn't have a price, they didn't have nothing on them. And they're measuring bowls, like really nice measuring bowls. And it's a 3-piece set, you guys. And so this one is a 2-cup one. What is this one? Looking at the measurements on the inside. Yeah, this one is a 2-cup one, and you just measure and pour. And this one is a 4-cup one. This is a 4-cup one. Really, really, really nice. And when I tell you they are made well, listen to that, you guys. They are made well. This is an 8-cup one, a 2-quart. So, like I said, it didn't have a sticker or anything. It was on a shelf that said $197. So I asked one of the ladies in Walmart, I said, do you know how much this is? Can you scan it? And she was like, excuse me, she was like, I can't scan it if it doesn't have like a tag. And I said, well, it's sitting on the shelf right here, and it says $197. And so she said, well, you could just take a picture of it and show it to the person at the register. So that's what I did. And sure enough, he only charged me $197 for all of these bowls, you guys. I'm going to actually look these up and see how much they really cost. But if they cost $197, y'all better go and scoop them up, y'all. They only had 2 sets, this one and the one at the store. So I don't know. I don't know if somebody put them in the wrong spot. I don't know, you guys. Let's see, where I want to go next. Then I found me a new pitcher, you guys. This one is so pretty for making my sweet tea or my lemonade or whatever I want to make. This one's so pretty. The color, it's like a mint green. It's not really a teal green. It's like a dark mint green. I'm trying to take the top off, you guys. So that's it right there, you guys. What does it say? It's just calling it a pitcher. And it is 1 gallon. So I love to make my own iced tea. My own iced tea. So yeah, got that, you guys. And you guys, I see everybody hauling these cups. I was like, I gotta get my hands on one. I might go back and get another one. So this is the color changing cups, you guys. I got the blue one. It's so pretty. But that's the little tag on it. And it's 26 ounces. And that's what it looks like on the inside. It doesn't really keep your stuff cold. I guess if you put a little bit of ice, it'll be cold for a little while, but it's not like insulated. But it's so pretty. Ooh, it's pretty. Now, what else do I have over here? What is this? Oh, you guys, I also found a pair of jeans. I found a pair of jeans for $5. I was like, what? And when I tell you they fit so nice, oh my God. They fit so nice, you guys. Look, $5. And they were $15.96. When I tell you these things fit so nice, I can't wait to wear them. They were a little short, so I just cuffed them on the bottom because I'm so tall. So I just cuffed them up. And they're by Time and True. And you guys, this is my last two things. I found this really nice hat, you guys. It was $15.97, but they were on clearance for 12 bucks. I love it. And then you have the little the clip, so you can clip it to your purse when you take it off, or if you have to take it off, it clips to your purse. Let me see if I can move that. See, it clips to your purse right there. $12, you guys. I love it. I love it. I don't think it's gonna fit with all this hair I got on right now, but yes, please. I can't wait to style this, you guys. I can't wait to style this. And they had it in a dark brown and a army green. So pretty. I have to go back and get that too. But I have to wait until I test negative. Oh my God. And you guys, this was my favorite one. They have this in black and they have it in tan as well. This one was also $15.97. $15.97. And it's beautiful, you guys. Look at this hat. It is so pretty. And then it comes with a changing scarf. A scarf in black. So you can change the scarf out if you want to and change it to black. I thought that was neat. Only 12 bucks, you guys. It rang up 12 bucks. But you guys, that's the end of my Walmart haul. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, morning, evening, night, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, click the bell, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video on this channel. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I love all of you guys. You guys keep me in your prayers, and I will keep you in my prayers. Keep living your best, blessed life, and be kind to someone. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.